Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your PayPal to your Coins.ph. Okay, so before doing that, make sure that you already have your GCash account. Why? Because you cannot transfer your balance from PayPal to Coins.ph directly. You need first to have your PayPal account linked to your GCash to do so. How? Well, I'm going to show you. First, you need to go to your GCash app. If you don't have a GCash account yet, just click the link that I provided below the description and register your account. Okay, so in case you already have a GCash account, just open it. I'm going to input my PIN. Okay, so it's processing. Okay, so this is the dashboard of GCash. Okay, next thing to do is to click the upper left menu bar. Okay, as you can see, there is a label that says My Linked Accounts. So we're going to click that one. Now, these are the options. What we want to do is to link our PayPal. So, well, in my case, I'm already done with it, but since this is a tutorial, so we will click that one. So in here, you need to put the email address, but take note, this is exactly the same email ad that you use in your PayPal account. After inputting your email address, just click the link button below. And after that, it's already done. You have linked your account. Now the next question is, how are you going to transfer your money from PayPal to Coins.ph using your GCash? Okay, so what you need to do is to go back to your dashboard. Okay, I'm going back to my dashboard. Okay, so then we are going to click cash in. Okay, I'm going to click cash in. Okay, and after clicking cash in, go to remittance. Okay, and then in payment partners, you'll see PayPal. So as you can see, I have my PayPal. Okay, then I'm going to click this one. Okay, requesting. Alright, as you can see, my PayPal balance have been reflected to my GCash account. Now this proves that both GCash and my PayPal were already linked. Okay, so I have my PayPal balance 1,201 pesos. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to enter an amount. Let's say, for example, I'm going to transfer 1,000 pesos. Okay, so okay, let's go back. Take note, there's a take note there. Minimum amount required to proceed is 500 pesos or $10. Okay, so since I'm going to transfer 1,000 pesos, then it's all good. Next is I'm going to click next. Okay, PayPal confirmation. You are about to cash in 1,000 pesos. So please review to ensure that the details are correct before you proceed. Okay, so I'm going to click confirm. Okay, it's processing. Okay, cash in via PayPal complete. Okay, for your reference, you will also receive the transaction details via SMS. Okay. Okay, let's go to that. Okay, so as you can see, my available balance now is 1,000 and 40 pesos. Okay, so we transferred 1,040 or 1,000 pesos to our GCash account. Now that it's already in our GCash, what we need to do next for us to be able to transfer our money to Coins.ph, first we're going to open our Coins.ph account. Okay, so Coins.ph. Okay, so I'm going to input my PIN. Okay, so after I input my PIN, okay, so I have my 296 and 73 cents. So what we need to do now is to click cash in. Okay, so guys, before I forget, if you don't have your Coins.ph yet, I also put my link in the description. You can register your account in Coins.ph. Okay, so in additional cash in locations, we have Globe Gcash. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, now how much would you like to cash in? Let's say for example I'm going to cash in 1,000 pesos. Okay, oh, sorry. So there is coins fee charge 10 pesos. Okay, so it's 10 pesos, and then I'm going to click place order. Okay, so almost done. Okay, so it indicates that please pay 1,010 pesos within 48 hours to complete this payment. Okay, so here's the instruction. Here's how to pay. Number 1, click on pay with Dragon Pay. Dragon Pay will charge an additional 10 pesos service fee upon completing your GCash transfer. Okay, then I'm going to pay with Dragon Pay. Okay, so guys, take note, enter the 11-digit mobile number that is associated with your GCash account within 5 minutes only. Okay, so we'll click Chrome. Okay, so enter 11-digit Globe mobile number for reference Y6Y here. Okay, so there's a 10 peso service fee in addition. Okay, so I'm going to put my Globe number or the mobile number associated with my GCash. Okay, and click pay. Okay, so it indicates that please reply with your MPIN or mobile PIN to the SMS that you will receive from GCash to confirm payment. Okay, so I'm going to reply with the MPIN. So I'm waiting for the SMS. Here we go. Okay, we already received the Dragon Pay message. Okay, let's open it. Dragon Pay Corporation is requesting to collect 1,020 pesos from your GCash wallet. Okay, so as you can see, it's already 1,020 pesos. That means that they have an additional charge of 10 pesos. Okay, so I'm going to reply. Okay, GC then space my MPIN confirmation. By the way, let's check our GCash to make sure. Okay, so there's the confirmation now. So you have successfully added 1,000 pesos to your Coins wallet. You can use it to buy, load, transfer money, shop, online, and more. Okay, so let's check our Coins.ph. Okay, so So we'll go to Coins.ph now. Now, okay, it's loading. Sorry for the internet signal. Poor signal, okay. Then let's go to the dashboard and let's try if okay, so in my coins wallet I have 1,287 pesos and 73 cents. So that's all. It's very easy. Just follow the steps, and in case you don't have Coins.ph, you can also check my description for the link. Okay, so payment received, you just received 1,000 pesos. Okay guys, that's all. I hope that you learned something. You learned how to transfer your PayPal balance to your Coins.ph. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.